Mr. Tear raping with Miss Tear. Let's do this. Hopefully our luck will go on. So first we got Tyrese. Second we got Jaden McDaniels. Third we got a living legend, which is Allen Iverson. Trip mo ulit yung gilid sa taas para mahila mo. Yan. Sanay ka din. Be careful sa edge, sayang yung parts. Okay. I-ano mo muna, itagilid mo. Tagilid mo, tapos iiwahiwalay mo. Huwag mong papakiyan para hindi pumapakat. Okay. Okay, let's do this. First card, base card, Lakers, Andre Drummond. Second card, wow, pink na naman, ganda. Ay, hindi, third card na yan, mali yung pull mo. Our second card, go. Kinakabahan ng ano natin. Wow, our second card is from Suns, Devin Booker. Our third card is a shining star. Bang! Luka Doncic. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, that's good. Next card. Sige, next card. Nakapakat. Tanggalin mo. Next card is Harrell. Okay. And our final base card before our rookie card is Jason Tatum. And our rookie card, baligtad. Celtics. Ooh, a good rookie also. Peyton Watson. We got Luka. Bang. Sexy pa si Luka dito ah. And our rookie is Peyton Watson. Okay.